Welcome my friends, this is EQ from Tech from the Sun, and today we are going to unbox the Huawei Matebook 14 2020. The configuration I have here is a 14-inch screen display with a 3:2 aspect ratio. The resolution is something between Full HD and 2K. Huawei claims it's 2K Full View Display, that's how it's called in their website. It comes with AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor with AMD Radeon Graphics, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 512 GB of SSD. And it comes with Windows Pro installed. So let's take a look. Okay, here we have our USB-C charger cable. Put this away. We also have our 65-watt USB-C power adapter. As you can see, it's very small, very compact. That's something that I like from this laptop for portability. Let me take a look at this laptop here. Let me just put this away. Okay. And there you go. Here is the Huawei Matebook 14 2020. Finish feels nice. I like it. I like how it feels. It feels very sturdy, very solid, to be honest, in my opinion. It's not that heavy. Huawei claims it's a 1.5 kilos, so in my opinion, it's not that heavy. And it's a very compact size. So let's take a look at the ports. In one side, we have one USB-C port that can be used for charging, one 3.5 headset and microphone jack, and one HDMI port. I like this. I like that it has a lot of ports, so you have to bring a dongle everywhere you go. And in the other side, you have two USB 3.2 ports. Okay. Can take a look at the different angles. Looks really nice. I like it. Okay, let's take a look at the inside. Okay, I can't open it with just one hand. The hinge is kind of sturdy, which is a good thing in my opinion. I don't like it to be wobbling when I'm typing. So I like this. The keyboard feels very solid too. There's not a lot of distance travel, which I don't think it'll be a problem for me. I mean, I have adapted to different type of keyboards before, so. And in the middle of the function keys, we have the webcam, which I understand is a little bit controversial between users to have the webcam position here. So I'll give it a try. I used to do a lot of Zoom meetings, so I'm gonna see how it works being positioned in this area here. I'll give you my feedback as soon as I test it. The trackpad feels nice too. I'm not pretty sure if it's glass, but it doesn't feel cheap in my opinion. Feels good. I like the chamfering on the edges. And as I mentioned to you, the hinge is very, very sturdy. Feels very solid. It overall feels premium. I like it. I like the laptop in the overall. I'm making a full review of this laptop considering my use, which is basically productivity tasks such as email, making presentations, some medium Excel calculations, and a few CAD, both 2D and 3D, but mostly for reviewing, not creating. I used to create before, but right now I only use those 3D software to review joints, to review 3D models, to review 2D drawings and stuff like that. I'll let you know how this laptop works with this use that I will give to it. So take care, my friends, and see you soon.